our Popsicle display trays. First off, the overall dimensions. Overall length of 13 3/4 inches and depth of 12.5 inches and a height of 2 inches. There will be 5 rows of 9 inserts. Total of 45 popsicles can be inserted and displayed on this rack. For the inside, each compartment for display, measurements will include 13.5 inches in length by 2 inches tall. These can be purchased through our website and can be displayed along with our Cooler Depot freezers and popsicle displays that we also have for sale. And again, these will include 5 rows, each row of 9 inserts. Total of 45 popsicles can be displayed. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotusa.com for more information on this product. Thank you.